Good morning. Is Wednesday, January 31st, and we got a decision on which handle material this customer likes. I am just waiting on whether I'm doing nickel, silver, or 316. Sometimes it happens, questions get lost in emails and we don't get all the answers I need. And typically I get all of this information up front, and I thought I had it all. Apparently I didn't. So I will work on this knife as soon as I can. I will be doing some welding projects today. So this is an axe that there was some damage up here, so the axe head had to come back, and that meant now it's too short to be used as a big axe. So I need to find a piece of steel thicker than this. It's gonna have to be like closer to 1/4 of an inch, and then weld that on there and then clean it all up. So she will be able to use that for big axe for throwing. So while I'm doing that, I'm just gonna grab all like the little random welding projects we have and just try to get them all done in the same go, because there was an issue with the welder last time I tried to do it, which is why this axe is still sitting here. So I'll do the hog splitter, I'll do a little tang for Daniel that he's got going on, and make sure there's nothing else, because I don't break out the welder very often, so I want to get it all said and done. So really, that's my day. Here's Daniel with what he's got going on.
Hey everyone, just to get you caught up with what's going on in my world, I have got my knives down to hand sanding. I've got to go up a couple more grits and then over on to hand sanding and polishing. I also got in a cool little automatic knife yesterday. It came to me in pieces. It's one of the things that I get kind of proud about what we do, is every now and then we get something that's a little kind of out of our realm, in the sense of we don't know this brand and how this automatic functions, but luckily it's very similar to a lot of ones I've seen, so we're able to put it back. I do need to put the lock in though, so I will find a way to try and get that worked on. Just spend about 15 minutes doing that, and then on into the rest of the day. So on top of the work, we've also got some things we're going to try and take care of admin-wise, and Russell's got some welding going. But we're now going to go in our favorite place with our favorite guy, Russell. What's up, bud?
It's good.
What are we talking about today?
Today we're talking about the Civivi Baklash. So if you followed us for a while, this is one of the, I believe it was in the second set of knives that Civivi came out with. And I gotta say, I love the throwback to the original kind of Civivi, where it was a little poppy. I mean, some people even thought it was garish, but I love that blue liner in there. Absolutely love it. And again, these things have absolutely brilliant actions. Both blades are coated. They're coated 9CR15 MOV. This is the G10 over, it's carbon fiber over G10. So they basically just laminate them together to keep the price down. Nice, lightweight, and just absolutely beautiful. Both come with skeletalized deep carry pocket clips that do a nice job of sitting nice and deep in the pocket, and it's just a beautiful trailing point blade. I mean, you can even choke up on it if you want to, if you've got small fingers. Nice jimping up there. So just a great everyday carry. Yeah.
Right on. All right, y'all. Like always, we'll wrap it up here. See you on the next one. Peace.